Hi kids! Welcome back to Grambi channel. Today we're going to have so much fun. Are you ready to get to know your toys with me? Let's get started. Don't forget to stay till the end because I have a fun craft waiting for you. It's going to be amazing. Alright, let's meet our first toy. Toy car. Spell it with me. T-O-Y. Toy. C-A-R. Car. Toy car. Toy cars are super fun to zoom around. You can race them with your friends or make them drive through imaginary cities. They can go fast, slow, or even take sharp turns. What color is your toy car? Next up, we have teddy bear. Spell it with me. T-E-D-D-Y. Teddy. B-E-A-R. Bear. Teddy bear. Teddy bears are perfect for cuddles and hugs. They're so soft and snuggly. You can take your teddy bear everywhere. It loves to join you for nap time and story time. Does your teddy bear have a name? Here comes a super cool one. Building blocks. Spell it with me. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Building. B-L-O-C-K-S. Blocks. Building blocks. You can stack them up and build towers. They're great for your imagination. Building blocks help you learn shapes and colors. Wow, this next one is so creative. Puzzles. Spell it with me. P-U-Z-Z-L-E-S. Puzzles. Solving puzzles helps your brain grow big and strong. Puzzles are like mysteries waiting to be solved. Each piece has a special place. Oh, this next one is so delightful. Blowing bubbles. Spell it with me. B-L-O-W-I-N-G. Blowing. B-U-B-B-L-E-S. Bubbles. Blowing bubbles. Blowing bubbles is such a joyful activity. How many colorful bubbles can you create with one breath? Each bubble is like a tiny rainbow floating in the air. Can you see how they shimmer and shine before they pop? Here's an adventurous one. Toy train. Spell it with me. T-O-Y. Toy. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Toy train. Toy trains go choo-choo on the tracks. You can make them travel through tunnels or over big bridges. You also can create a railway adventure. This next one is so exciting. Kite. Spell it with me. K-I-T-E. Kite. Flying a kite is such a joyful experience. How high can you make your kite soar in the sky? Kites dance with the wind, gliding gracefully. Can you see the vibrant colors as it flutters above? Here's a musical toy that's quite unique. Toy drum. Spell it with me. T-O-Y. Toy. D-R-U-M. Drum. Toy drum. You can make music by tapping the drum. Let's make some joyful noise. And last but not least, Play-Doh. Spell it with me. P-L-A-Y. Play. D-O-U-G-H. Dough. Play-Doh. You can squish and mold it into fun shapes. Let's make something amazing. Play-Doh is colorful and soft. You can make animals, flowers, or even pretend food. Just don't eat it. Wow, wasn't that fun? Now it's time for our special craft. We're going to draw toys together. Grab your pencils, crayons, and paper. Let's get started. First, we are going to draw a toy car. Let's draw a wheel. Draw one large and one small circle inside it. Next, draw the other wheel. Draw one large and one small circle inside it. Now let's draw the body of the car. Draw a semicircle above the wheels. Then draw another semicircle under it to complete the car's body. Connect the two semicircles to form the car's body. Finally, draw the headlights to complete the picture. And there you have it. You've drawn a car. Great job! Next, we'll draw a cute teddy bear. First, draw the number 8. This will be the body and head of the teddy bear. Draw a semicircle on top of the upper part of the 8 to complete the head. Draw the ears, eyes, nose, and mouth on the head. Draw 4 number 6s around the body to create the arms and legs. And there you have it. Your teddy bear is complete. Wonderful! Now, let's move on to our next drawing. Toy train. First, draw 3 circles. Then, draw 3 small circles. Draw a rectangle to connect them together. Create an arc for the train's head, then add rectangles for the windows. Add a chimney, a window, and a top. Finally, draw some smoke. And it's complete. Next, let's draw a kite flying high in the sky. Start by drawing a cross. This will be the frame of your kite. Connect the 4 corners to form the shape of the kite. Draw a bow and a string to decorate your kite. And there you have it. Your kite is complete. You're doing great. Just one more to go. Finally, let's draw some colorful blocks. Draw a long straight line. Write 2 number 1s. Then write the number 7. Draw a triangle. Next, draw a circle. Draw the outline of the block's base. Write 2 more number 1s. Draw a semicircle. And there you have it. Your building block is complete. Fantastic! You've drawn a toy car, a teddy bear, a toy train, a kite, and blocks. Feel free to color them in and add your personal touches. Great job! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel so you never miss a new adventure. Thank you for watching Grambi channel. You're helping us grow and share more fun and learning with everyone. We're so happy to have you here, and we can't wait to see you in our next adventure. Bye-bye.